Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add tags on the Substack. Now if you are creating a post and you want to add the tags on the Substack to reach the different niche or the specific audience you are looking for, but you don't know how to add the tags on your post, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to add the tag on Substack, make sure that you have installed the Substack app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you need to open the Substack app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of Substack, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now to add a tag on the post, you need to simply click on the option of plus icon and you need to simply create a post first. So I'll simply do all of it. So to add the tag on the Substack post, you need to simply write the post which you have already created, and you need to simply click on the option of hashtag and you need to simply add the tag like this. So if it is a tech related post, then you need to simply write hashtag tech, or if it is business related post, then you need to simply write the hashtag business, and you'll be able to add tags like this on the Substack post. So that's it. That's how you can add the tags on the post of Substack. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.